G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 119 Cove Boulevard in the popular Bayside suburb of River Heads. There's only a select few properties that offer an outlook like that, and there is a lot to take in. So let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this opportunity to purchase 119 Cove Boulevard in the popular Bayside suburb of River Heads. This home is enviably positioned on a large 2,906 square metre allotment in the highly sought after location of Turtle Cove, offering those panoramic views across the Great Sandy Straits towards World Heritage listed K'gari or Fraser Island. You also have the convenience that comes with being only a short drive away from Hervey Bay's essential amenities, including the airport, shopping centres, hospitals, golf course, Hervey Bay's beautiful esplanade, restaurants, cafes and the beach. Keen anglers will also note that the River Heads boat ramp and pontoon are only a short drive away. This is where you can access the Great Sandy Straits, K'gari, Fraser Island, the Mary and Susan rivers, which are a fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. This modern contemporary designed home has been designed to capture the outlook and prevailing sea breezes. Showcasing a light and spacious single level design, this family inspired home exudes modern sophistication to create an exceptional living retreat. The vast open plan living and dining area, which forms the heart of this home, seamlessly connects with that fantastic al fresco outdoor entertaining area which is under the main roof. This is where you'll bask in Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate while taking in those panoramic views across the Sandy Straits to K'gari. The modern, well-appointed kitchen features a large island bench with beautiful stone bench tops and ample storage space, including a pantry. Quality appliances include a 6-burner gas cooktop and an electric oven with range hood. You've also got a provision to add a dishwasher, making it ideal for both everyday and cooking and entertaining all year round. You also have a separate lounge or media room. This is where you'll be able to enjoy your favourite television series along with the latest movies. This home does include 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom features a walk-in wardrobe and a lavish ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet, and you've also got direct access outside to the alfresco outdoor entertaining area. The bathroom does include a shower, vanity and bath, and you've got a separate toilet as well. Vehicle accommodation includes a spacious double garage with direct internal access into the home. This property also offers ample space to add a large shed to accommodate caravans, RVs and boats, and you could even add a pool if desired as well. Homes offering an outlook across the Great Sandy Straits to K'gari, Fraser Island, are rare, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.